Your Windows desktop look boring? Let's fix that. In this video, I am going to show you 3 apps that can completely transform your Windows desktop. Animated wallpapers, transparent taskbar, and a full desktop customization setup. And the best part, you can do all of this without buying a new PC. First, open your Microsoft or any browser, search for Lively Wallpaper, and then install and open. This lets you use animated and interactive wallpaper on your desktop. After installing it, you can choose from the built-in wallpaper and add your own. Like go to any browser, search for live wallpapers. Here is website motion backgrounds. Open it, and you can download whatever you want. Like I want to download Crown of the Void. Then install. After that, just drag your wallpaper on Lively Wallpaper and then press OK. And here is your wallpaper. You can select. And now for transparent taskbar, again open Microsoft Store and search TranslucentTB. And here is TranslucentTB. Install it and then press open and set it into clear. And now your taskbar is transparent. For the date and time, open any browser and search Rainmeter. Open this website and then download Rainmeter. After you download it, go to Visual Skins, and here is Mood, and download this Mood and then open file and then install. Now press close and press right click on it and unload skin, and also in recycle bin unload skin. Now your PC look like this to this. And if you want more Windows customizations, PC optimization and gaming tips, subscribe to Well Pixel and comment below which setup should I make next.